If you are attracting something that you don't want, but you're attracting it often, like a lack of finances, the wrong partner, I want you to hear this video. We are going to make sure that you get everything that it is that you want by understanding why you're not getting it in the first place. Often we go directly to how. What action do we need to take? Who do I need to call? What do I need to change about my external reality? What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? I need this to change. Then we get hopeless, we get mad at ourselves, we get critical, we get depressed, we get annoyed. Things aren't unfolding the way that we want. You know this story? Yes, we do, because we all have experienced it. We are going to interrupt that pattern in this video. My name is Jenna, and I'm all about changing your default, because your default setting is the only thing that's causing you grief. It's the only reason why you have mental anguish, and it's the only reason why you don't have what it is that you want. What we have to do is we have to change your default, but we have to change your default from the foundation. So my one-on-one program takes you through changing your default system through the foundational steps. We really dive in deep and we start to rewire our programming so that long term we become an instant manifester. But if you want to be an instant manifester, you have to develop that skill first, just like a professional athlete needs to develop their skills in their preferred sport. This is you learning. Okay, you're not supposed to be good at it. You're supposed to have freakouts. You're supposed to have mishaps. You're going to miss the shot. That's all part of you becoming a better athlete in life. I work a lot with athletes, and that's exactly what we have to work on constantly. Is not just our physical presence, because they have the skill set down. It's the mental energy piece of it that they often get mixed up with. We don't focus there as much because it's not something that we think to train. That's why I'm here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays to help you retrain your default system. It's the only thing messing you up. So when it comes to love, attracting the wrong person over and over, or just attracting someone who won't commit, or someone who triggers your anxiety or triggers your avoidant tendencies. We all have different attachment styles that come out at separate times, and this is what I want you to understand. The only reason you're attracting the same scenario over and over again is because it's an old wound that needs to be healed. The problem is none of us are taught how to heal it, which is changing your default program. Instead, you are thrown affirmations, you are given techniques, you are given strategies of how to make it happen, how to change it, but no one actually helps you make it a long-term thing. You go from how, and that's when you start to effort, and you're not a cookie cutter. Your life is not like someone else's. You are unique. So when someone gives you affirmations and you're robotically affirming them and you're trying to embody them, it's not helpful for someone who has an overthinking, anxious mind, because your default is just wired differently. So we have to get to the root. If you're getting a repetitive pattern, you're not seeing the finances show up, you're not getting that ideal partner, you keep attracting the old one, it's because your default system, your subconscious wiring, is always going to fire and wire for predictability, not for preference. So you might prefer to have more money come in. You might prefer to have your dream partner, but your mind is wired for predictability, and your mind isn't used to abundance. It's not used to having a calm, cool, loving relationship. You might have grown up in a household where you had an unpredictable parent. They loved you sometimes, they were warm and cuddly. The next time they were angry or that you did something wrong, you never really knew what kind of parent you would get. That is going to develop an unpredictable mindset. So when you attract love and you find this hot and cold energy, you find one where you have to earn love for, that you don't naturally know where you stand with them, that is going to cause a natural pattern, a neurological pattern that is consistent with a neurological pattern you already have, and you deem it as something worthwhile. That's why you keep accepting breadcrumbs. This is why you keep going with the avoidant, even though you know that relationship's toxic and you're not happy in it. You stay in it not because you're weak or because you're controlled. It's because of the way that your mind is wired. We want to shift you to default to your preference rather than your predictability. So how do we start to do this? This is where we have to really get comfortable with the uncomfortable feelings of change. When you are changing, that means you actually have to change. And in change, you're going to be doing things that are different. That means if you have in your euphoric vision that you want this dream partner and you keep accepting less than optimal treatment from this partner, you are saying to the universe, I know what I want, but I got this and I'm going to stay here because I don't know what else to do. Instead, what we want to do is we want to learn how to regulate yourself outside of this relationship. A lot of times we use our finances or people in our lives, our partners, as validation and as a form of regulation for us to feel safe, calm, and whole. We have to learn how to become safe, whole, and calm without anything externally. This is the default program where we learn secure attachment. And when I say secure attachment, I'm not just talking about the love styles. I'm talking about you knowing how whole, how powerful, how much of source you actually are, so you never question or depend on anyone for your finances, for your health, or for your love connections. This is the basic line of it all, is we have to change your default from needing the external to be different, from depending on the external at all, to learning how to open yourself up to be dependent on you only. So when your finances aren't figured out yet and you're waiting to feel calm and secure when you get that paycheck, I understand, because you have bills to pay, you have logic, you have fear, you have all these stories. I completely get that. I was right there with you. But what we have to understand is that the universe provides, always provides. It's just you're blocking it. So it's not about how do we go get what the universe wants to provide us with. It's how do we let go of why we're blocking the universe from providing it from us in the first place. If you're attracting the wrong person, not how do I not attract this person anymore? How do I stop? Why am I attracting this person? Because you have an old wound. In either case, you have an old wound that you haven't healed yet. Heal that wound and you are home free. It's when you suppress or you repress or you try to express all of these feelings and experiences, and nothing changes because you keep using the external world as proof that you aren't going to get what you want, that you've never been able to. You can't. If you can't do it then, you're not going to do it now. And that story repeats itself, and that's why we keep staying stuck in a cycle. We want to break the cycle. So how do we do this? We have to learn how to default to our preference, which means often we have to spend more time in our embodiment stage. That's where ask, it's given. Step 1, you get what it is that you want. No ifs, ands, or buts. Number 2, we have to embody what it is that we want. There have to step into that expectation and assumption that it's already done. And how does it feel now that it's already done? What are we doing in our lives now that it's already done? And living from the end, living from this idea that it is already done. And that aligns us with the inspired action. And then that's how we get to step 3, which is receive it. Every single one of my videos is going to help clarify. So keep watching more than just one so you can really embody this and really understand it, because I go in different explanations to trigger different parts of your brain so that you finally understand and get what it is that you want, because you get it instantly. As soon as you can imagine it, it's in your dream faculty. You have a dream faculty for a reason, because it's destined for you. You couldn't feel it or see it if it wasn't meant for you. So there's no question here. We're not saying, oh, am I ever going to stop? Am I ever going to get the right person? Yes, of course you are. Am I ever going to build security? Yes, of course you are, because you've already identified that you want to. And as soon as you identify something that you want changed, immediately the change has already happened in the quantum field. All we have to do is hold that vision, that embodiment, long enough for that vibration in the field to turn to an actual tangible thing in reality. That's how it works. It's so simple. Don't overcomplicate it. It's so simple. So when you have an experience, so for example, I just talked to someone who is with a partner who's a dismissive avoidant, and she's anxious. So how do you know if you're anxious or you are an avoidant? She knew she was anxious because she was over analyzing every text. He wouldn't respond for days, and she would be like, oh my gosh, did I say something wrong? And then she'd go back and reread her messages and see if she did something, if she liked what she said. Then she'd beat herself up for texting twice. It was against the rules. She had all these playing games, and it was causing her so much upheaval. Whereas it felt like he didn't care as much about the relationship as she did. She was more of a convenience to him. He would respond when he wanted to, he would reach out when he wanted to, but it wasn't a consistent thing. And sometimes he was overly compassionate and affectionate, other times he's very distant, and she just couldn't get a good read on him. It was rocking her world. If something out in your world is rocking you, if your external world, if your finances, if a partner in your life, if that is rocking your world, then you know that you haven't built your security, and your default program, your subconscious mind, is still wired for dependency on something outside of you. We want to change that. That's the only thing. So today, all I want you to do is really work on you becoming whole within you, understanding your power, understanding that you get whatever it is that you want, have radical self-confidence, and radical belief that the universe works in your favor, because it does. And there's nothing that you cannot be or do or have. It's already done. You get to have it. Rest in the knowing that it's here, and simply walk around in complete appreciation and gratitude because you are aligned. Right now, you went through this entire video, so you are more aligned than you've ever been. Let go of your story that you're not. Let go of your impatience. Let go of your doubt or fear or anxiety, because you are aligned.